how to add a job application to Wix website. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a job application on Wix website. So the first thing that you need to do for that is to log into Wix.com. And once when you do it, you can see that you'll be redirected here on this home page or the dashboard. And there are several features of the dashboard that you can use and take advantage of, such as getting paid, events, sales, catalog, blog, apps, site and mobile app, inbox, customers and lead, marketing, etc. So moving on, in order to have a job description or job application, you need to click on edit site and open the website that you're working on. Now, for example, if I'm working here and I want to add a job application here, I can click on add elements and uh, we can go here on application. And there is gonna have a job form right here that we can use. Or if we don't find it here, we can write job application form, and you can choose any one of them, whichever one we like, and we can click here and it's gonna be posted right here. It might take some time to load, but it's gonna be there. You just have to be patient for a bit and we'll be done. So it's loading up. So it's right here. It's I guess gonna take some time to load, but this is the main way to do it. Like, let me remove it and let me show you one more time. We need to go here on search job application form, and it's right here. We can use this one. There are two. We can use this one or we can use this one. If we just drag and drop it right here, then it's gonna show up. So I don't know, due to some Wix problem, it's gonna take some time, but here you go. It's right here. We can just resize it. Here you go. So this is it. We can also edit the form and edit the terminologies here, or go to settings and change any setting that we want to, just layout and designing and all that stuff. That's completely up to you and pretty self-explanatory. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. Also in the next one.